What are the tissues that require a continuous supply of glucose as a metabolic fuel?
Brain, red blood cells, cornea of the eye, lens of the eye, testes, kidney medulla, and exercising muscles.
Can you tell me how blood glucose level is maintained during fasting?
During 6 to 12 hours of fasting or in an overnight fasting, glycogenolysis occur in liver, releasing glucose to blood. During 12 hours of fasting, 65 to 75% of blood glucose is derived from glycogenolysis and rest is derived from gluconeogenesis. After 18 hours of fasting, gluconeogenesis is responsible for maintaining the blood glucose level.
Why it is important to replenish blood glucose constantly during fasting?
Because if we couldn't maintain blood glucose level, hypoglycemia develops rapidly. It can compromise the function of brain, leading to confusion, disorientation, and even a life-threatening coma.
You told about glycogenolysis occur in liver. What about the muscle glycogen when they come to act?
Glycogen in muscles serves as a fuel reserve to glycolysis that occur within the muscle itself.
What are the glucogenic amino acids?
Amino acids that can be converted into glucose through gluconeogenesis.
Can you give me some examples?
Alanine, arginine, glutamate, glutamine, glycine.
What are the other substrates for gluconeogenesis? From where they come?
Glycerol comes from hydrolysis of triglycerides. Lactate comes from exercising muscles and from the cells that lack mitochondria.
Other than liver, where does it occur?
In kidneys?
Can alcohol consumption cause hypoglycemia?
Yes, when undernourished people consume alcohol and when a person exercises strenuously after drinking alcohol.
Why is that?
Because when ethanol metabolized in the body, it produces NADH. This excess NADH inhibits the NADH producing reactions. As gluconeogenesis produces NADH, it is also inhibited. So, if these people lack glycogen stores, they will develop hypoglycemia.
Tell me some diseases associated with glycogen metabolism.
Von Gerke's disease, McArdle disease.
What enzyme deficiency causes von Gerke's disease?
Glucose 6-phosphatase.
Tell me a dietary advice that you can give to these patients to prevent hypoglycemia.
Consumes frequent starch containing small meals at regular intervals.
What causes abdominal distension in them?
Hepatomegaly.
What are the other symptoms?
Lactic acidosis, hypertriglyceridemia, hyperuricemia.
Can you explain the causes for them?
As glucose 6-phosphate can't convert it to glucose, it accumulates and diverted to glycolysis, producing excess pyruvate. Hypoglycemia increases degradation of muscle proteins, releasing alanine, which can be converted to pyruvate. Excess pyruvate, the end product of glycolysis, diverted to form a lactate. Also, lactate can't be taken up by liver as a precursor of gluconeogenesis to release glucose now. So, lactate accumulate in body. Lactate can easily dissociate into hydrogen ions, causing acidosis. This is called lactic acidosis. Fatty acid synthesis become increased due to excess formation of acetyl-CoA by excess pyruvate. It increases formation of triglycerides and then increases VLDL formation, which causes hypertriglyceridemia. Excess glucose 6-phosphate also can shunt to pentose phosphate pathway, releasing increased ribose 5-phosphate production. This increased purine nucleotide production and also Then the rate of catabolism, increasing hepatic production of uric acid, leads to hyperuricemia.
What is the importance of pentose phosphate pathway?
It produces NADPH.
Okay, what are the uses of NADPH?
It is used to detoxify and excrete drugs by the liver. It is also used to regenerate reduced glutathione. It is used in reductive biosynthesis.
Can you give me some examples for reductive biosynthesis?
Synthesis of fatty acids in liver, adipose tissue and lactating mammary gland. Synthesis of steroid hormones, thyroid hormones, bile salts and cholesterol.
What is the primary regulator of pentose phosphate pathway?
Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase.
How babies with G6PD deficiency develop jaundice?
As pentose phosphate pathway is interrupted in G6PD deficiency, NADPH production will decrease. This inhibits the regeneration of reduced glutathione, leading to accumulation of reactive oxygen species in red blood cells. It damages the cell and cell membrane become destroyed, releasing hemoglobin and other contents to blood. Catabolism of excess hemoglobin results increased bilirubin levels in blood, which causes jaundice.